Let's solve a problem that is based on the hybridization as well as finding the most acidic hydrogen in the molecule. So the question is, let's see. Answer the following questions about ESMOLOL, a drug that is used to treat high blood pressure, that is basically a beta blocker, that is sold under the trade name of Brevibloc. So this is the molecule of ESMOLOL. Now what we have to do, first we have to label the two most acidic hydrogen atom in the ESMOLOL and explain why H is more acidic. So you can say acidic hydrogen is attached with electronegative atom like sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen and halogens. And if you see, this hydrogen is attached with the oxygen, that will be acidic, as well as this hydrogen is also attached with this nitrogen, so this is also acidic in nature. So you can say these are the two hydrogen that are acidic in nature. Now let's see the next question. What products are formed when ESMOLOL is treated with NaH? So when you treat the ESMOLOL, what will happen? So basically, suppose this whole group is taken as R. Suppose I am taking whole as R, then it will be R, OH, NH and this. When you treat with this NaH, that the sodium hydride which contains H minus, basically this H minus is a very powerful base. So what will it do? It will just remove the most acidic hydrogen that is attached with the oxygen and form H2 gas. So basically this will be O minus Na plus, this will be the salt form, and this H plus and this hydrogen will join together to form H2 gas. So the product are this salt as well as H2 gas when ESMOLOL is treated with NaH. Now let's see the third question, that is, what products are formed when ESMOLOL is treated with HCl? So again we see the structure R, OH, N, H, that is treated with here. This is basic in nature or basic group also, because it has nitrogen having the lone pair, and when we have HCl, so H plus and Cl minus, this acid base reaction will take place. So this will act as a Lewis base and will give H plus to the electron to the H plus and will form a new bond like this, OH, NH, H plus. So that is the again salt formed when it reacts with the acid. So basically this is the basic group, so it will react with the acid, and this is more acidic group, so it will react with the H minus, that is very powerful base. Now the next is, label all sp2 hybridized carbon atoms. So what are the sp2 hybridized carbon atom in the ESMOLOL? This is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and all the carbon atom of this benzene ring are sp2 hybridized, and they are trigonal planar basically. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 are the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Next, label the only trigonal pyramidal atom. So only trigonal pyramidal atom is this nitrogen. It is having 3 sigma bond, that is 1, 2 and 1 with the hydrogen and 1 lone pair, that is the steric number of 4. The hybridization will be sp3, but due to 1 lone pair and 3 sigma bond, this is pyramidal. It is in pyramidal shape. The last one is, label all carbons that bear delta plus charge, that is positive charge, partially positive charge. So the carbon that is attached with electronegative atom like oxygen, so this carbon will have delta plus on it, as well as this carbon will have some delta plus. This carbon will also have some delta plus, as well as this carbon will also have delta plus because oxygen is there, and this carbon also have delta plus because there is nitrogen, and this carbon will also have delta plus because this is again attached with the more electronegative element. So the all the carbon bearing delta plus are this one, and you can say this one, this is 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6. Mainly 6 are having more delta plus on it. That is all about this ESMOLOL drug. Thank you very much.